Don't let this be you. In this video, we will review the best shipping practices. Shipping lab samples securely is critical. Damaged samples can lead to a delay in testing and results. To ensure your samples arrive safely, follow these best practices. Start with your skidder pallet. Avoid warped or uneven boards. If needed, add cardboard sheets to create a flat, stable base. Clearly label all test units and material samples with the first 4 digits of your lab rec number. Use clean, contamination-free buckets for cement and aggregate samples. Label both the lid and the side of the bucket. Labeling both these parts will help reduce the risk of material mix-ups in the lab. Make sure units do not extend beyond the pallet edges. Keep materials at least 1 inch inside the edges to prevent forklift damage and lost units. Ensure all products are fully supported. Limit each pallet to 1,000 pounds. Damage is often seen when the pallet weight is over 1,000 pounds. Secure products tightly to the pallet using straps or shrink wrap. Materials should be secure enough to not shift during transit. If possible, create a full layer of test units to reduce movement. Prevent stacking by placing a bucket, box, or a do not stack cone on top. Double stacking pallets is not recommended. Always take photos of the completed pallet to document packaging conditions before shipment. Proper packaging protects samples, saves time, and keeps testing results on schedule. Follow these best practices every shipment to ensure a smooth testing process.